Mandela, 2 points. Guzman to Camero. Camero to Sobrevilla. Pass to the Guzman. Long two. Hindi masok. Put back. Tabal. Rebound. Nakakuha ni Reyes. Nakakuha ni Katakutan. Katakutan. Intercepted by the Guzman. De Guzman fires. Number 3. Rebound by David. David pass to Mandela. Mandela to David. Katakutan, 15 seconds. Pass into the middle. Gabawan, pass to the mid. Nabitawan naman na ako ni Reyes. Pass to Camero. Camero to Sobrevilla. Bulak jumper, short. Rebound na ako ang Guzman. To Sobrevilla. Pass to Camero. Camero for 3. Air ball rebound by De Los Santos. Put back up. Foul jersey number 8, hit 2 shots. First personal foul, first team foul. Di pumasok ang una. Second throw for De Los Santos. Hindi pa pumasok, rebound by David. Pass to Katakutan. 15 seconds. Pineda. Back to Mandela. Pull up jumper. Hindi masok tira. Rebound na ako ang De Los Santos. Tapi ka na ako. Oh, plus touch by Team Black.
Sa gitna lang yung ilaw, ano?
Kaya?
Nasa gitna lang yung ilaw. Wala.
Against the right po ba?
Hindi, madilim. Okay lang. Nasa gitna.
Sobrevilla na tapalan ni Pineda na kuha ngayon ni Katakutan. Katakutan. Pass to David. David for 3. Number 3 rebound. Tapi ka na plus touch. Save ball. 10 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot.
Oo. Hindi ah. Dalawang kamay.
David inbounding the ball. Pass to Pineda. Intercepted by De Guzman. De Guzman. Hindi masok tira. Rebound by De Los Santos. Put back to Royce De Los Santos. David. 15 seconds. David. To Katakutan. Katakutan. To Gabawan. Pull up jumper. 2 points. Gabawan. Camero for 3. In and out. Rebound by David. Tapi ka na ako ang ngayon ni Mr. Pineda. Pass to Mandela. Mandela making his move. Mandela pass to David. To Katakutan. To Mandela. Pass to Gabawan. Pass to David. Ganda pasahan. Hindi ka napasok nila. Rebound na ako ang ngayon ni Reyes. Pass to Camero. Here comes to Guzman. Foul. Foul jersey number 197. Black foul. First personal foul. Second team foul. Camero pass inside. Nabitawan na naman na ako ngayon Mr. Pineda.
Split decision.
Pass to Gabawan. Gabawan back to Katakutan.
Diba, boss mo?
10 seconds. Pull up jumper. Hindi masok rebound. Put back. 2 points. Gabawan. Camero. 15 seconds. Pass to De Guzman. De Guzman pass to Camero. 5 seconds. De Guzman, oy, 3 seconds violation.
Goal kick.
Seconds. Pineda na iwan bukas. Hindi malapasok din ang rebound. Bares pass to De Guzman. Ito na si De Guzman nagmabilis. De Guzman na binamala. De Guzman pass to Sobrevilla. Camero Plotter short. Rebound by the wind. Pass to Modela. Wala, nag-aalat ang Timabel. Modela. Pass to the wind. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. The big pass into the middle. Okay! Mali ang pasa. Out of bounds. Substitution. Reyes out. Okay na po. Last 5 minutes. De Guzman. Pass to Sobrevilla. Wide open. Short. Rebound by Navarro. Pass to Malindan. Kung katakutan. Score natin ay 59-45. 14-point lead. Tatapikan na ako ngayon ni De Los Santos. Pass to Camero. Camero for 3. Camero 3 points. Katakutan. Pass to Pineda. Navarro, 10 seconds. Malindan reverse. Masyadong last Magnus rebound na ako ngayon sa pass. 2 up. There's only 7. Who's Falger? Ito po. Jersey number 197, substitution. Second person, 30 foul. Camero. Pass to De Los Santos. Pass to De Guzman. De Guzman for 3. Hindi masok na rin. Put back 2 points. Sobrevilla. Score natin ay 59-50. Mabasa siya mga kalamangan ng Team Modela. Navarro. Malindan, center screen. Navarro drives. Foul! Foul, number 2-on-1 Sobrevilla. First personal foul.
Paano po ba sa
First
NPCC
foul.
na yun? Ikot pa uli yun? O
Hindi na. Isang baka final na sa kon eh. Next week. Pan yun.
alam ko paramihan lang ng panalo yun eh.
Oo.
Centro.
Pero may championship.
Okay, medyo go.
Pinipili ka binubuan. Yung kabanakot na kapitad. Meron silang kasalimba.
De Guzman for 3. Hindi masok tira rebound na
Meron silang overage.
Mr. Navarro.
Sino?
Katakutan. That's 3 minutes and 25.
Kabanatuan natin bigat sa game ba?
15 seconds to shoot.
Kaya malaking chance namin eh.
10 seconds to shoot.
Mana nga. Manalo.
Katakutan. Setting the play. Pass to Uy. Uy fires na good. Rebound by Navarro. Navarro pass to Avenir. Avenir put up up. Traveling violation.
Ba't hindi pa hinarang yun? Hindi pa hinarang agad.
Sobrevilla. Hindi masok tira rebound by Avenir. Tapikan ako ni Mr. Navarro. Uy! Nasipa ang bola.
Pinaglaro pa agad.
Kaya na-trace yata. Ang may nakakalam doon yung, ano, yung commissioner. Sila yung mga pinagpasa ng mga pangalan.
Oo. Yan nung
May
umpisa pa
dalawang,
lang
sa
eh.
iba may tatlong overage yata.
Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
May
Eh,
knowledge.
bawal din yun.
Camero. 15 seconds.
Qualified ka, nakaban ka na isang taon.
Intercepted by Uy. Pass to Makalinggan. Pass to Navarro. Navarro drives. Tumasang tira rebound. Nakakuha ngayon yung Mr. Camero. Pass to Sobrebilla. 2 points. Sobrebilla. Uy. Nasa kita nakakuha ni De Guzman. De Guzman. Time out!
Sila.
Back to the ball game. Last 2 minutes. Katakutan. 15 seconds. Pass to Manina. Nice pass to Uy. Nabitaw na lang bola na ako ngayon. Mr. Joaquin ang buo. Jumbo. White ball. Joaquin pass to Sarenas. That's 1 minute and 40 seconds to play. To De Guzman. Oh, there's a whistle. Foul jersey number 19. First foul, warning for penalty.
Dalawa pa po lang kalaban eh. Ha? Hindi nga, kasi kwan. Parang may mga overage na dalawang tatlong team. Iba na to.
Holy kapalpon! Ito na ngayon si Mr. Navarro. Navarro fires 2 points. Navarro! Last 1 minute and 2 seconds. Sobrebilla, short rebound by Navarro.
Ano eh, parang may reklamo din yata yung karangulan.
15 seconds. Nice pass inside. Hindi mo na pasok tira rebound by Katakutan. 10 seconds.
Diya, titignan natin yung mga
Katakutan, pass to Navarro, nice pass to Avenir, shot, rebound, put back, 2 points. Last 40 seconds. Maligod sa kalaman. Here comes Sarenas, floater, 2 strong rebounds, Sarenas once again. Sarenas pass to Sawit. Sawit making his move. 2 strong rebound by Marina. Marina pass to Navarro, pass to Avenir, intercepted by De Guzman. De Guzman fires, no good. Rebound by Sawit, put back, what? There's a whistle. Foul, jersey number 137, first personal foul, penalty situation. The 16 seconds. 2 shots for Sawit. Pumasok ang una. Second row. Pumasok, babasa siya, makalaman. Score na the night, 56-65, 9.8 for Team Manila. 10 seconds. Manina, natapitan na ako sa Sobrebilla. Pass to De Guzman, foul! Foul, jersey number 8, hit 2 shots.
ay di ba na-shoot ka? Baka pinag-usapan. Hindi, baka kuhan yun. Baka ma-disqualified sila.
Mapupunta na po sa inyo.
Baka ang maiwan doon, baka tagumuting gano'n. Mali naman yun.
David, pass to Navarro, pass to Mandela, pull up chopper. Hindi masok din ang rebound na kuha ngayon ni Mr. Camero. Camero, pass to De Guzman, 2 points, De Guzman. Napakabilis. Pineda. Score na din ay 65-60. Babasa ni mga kalamangan Team Madela. Madela, pass to Navarro. Last touch. 12 seconds. Navarro put up 2 points. Navarro. Seconds. To Sobrevilla fakes, Sobrevilla fires, airball, put back, Cavalli. 8 seconds. Kahaba. De Los Santos. Camero fires, 2 points, Camero. Pineda to the beat, 15 seconds. Here comes Mandela. 10 seconds. To the beat. 5 seconds. Tatabigan Mandela, pull up jumper. Good. Sobrevilla, masyadong nakas rebound na ako ni Camero. Camero making his move, 2 points, Camero. Baba sa tatlong kalamangan. Haba ng hinabol, 15 yun. 15 seconds.
Pineda.
Hindi pa sa ng kabangan mo, first match. Substitution. Ang Pineda out. Ay, Pineda out.
Nakita.
Maninang in.
Nagbukol po yung buto ng pako. Hindi ko tumitakbo. Nakikita po ako ng pamilya.
Eh, sabi ni Kabanay, maglalaro siya. Ala naman.
Dalawang pako ko, ba't hindi po siya? Wala na po yung buto.
15 seconds. Camero. Hindi masok tira rebound na kuha ngayon. Mr. Navarro. Navarro mabilis. Navarro fires. Hindi masok rebound by Maninang. Nakuha ngayon De Los Santos. De Los Santos to Sobrevilla for the ties. Short rebound by. Here comes Maninang. Balik by Sobrevilla pass to Mandela. Mandela pass to wide open man. Maninang. Hindi malapasok tira. Oh, plus touch. White ball.
Sayang.
Mabilis po, mabilis.
15 seconds. 10 seconds. Camero pass to Sobrevilla. Nice pass to De Los Santos. Masyadong natira rebound by Kabawan. Oh, there's the whistle. Ito po. It's by red. Foul jersey number 232. Joaquin. Opo. Manina. Pass to Kabawan. Kabawan to Mandela. Mandela, nice pass to Manina. Reverse. Hindi pa napapasok niya na rebound na kulangan yung Digusman. Ito na si Digusman mabilis. Pass to Sobrevilla. Up! Traveling violation. Seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Kabawan takes. Gabawan Bullock Chopper. In and out rebound by Dos Santos. Pass to Sawit. Sawit pass to Guzman. Intercepted by Mandela. Mandela pass to Navarro. Block by Dos Santos. Rebound Mandela. Mandela na kaliwa. Hindi masuk tira. Rebound by Navarro. Navarro pound. Basket counted. Basket count. Foul jersey number 59. Sawit hit. Bonus shot. Substitution.
Big pass. Lang.
Bonus shot. Hindi pasok. Power rebound para kay Maninang. Maninang pass to Mandela. 5 seconds. Mandela pull up jumper. Lagod rebound kay Maninang pa rin. Nakakuha ni Dos Santos. Pass to Reyes. Pass to Guzman. To boys. To Guzman. Ayos yung alley-oop play na yun ah.
Alihog patinding.
Seconds. Mandela, pass to Gabawan, pass to the beat. 5 seconds. Mandela, pull up jumper, 2 points. Mandela. Ito na si De Guzman. De Guzman for 3. Short rebound by put back, 2 points. Sobrevilla. Score natin ay 68-71. Mandela. 15 seconds. Pass to Navarro. Foul. Foul jersey number 21. De Guzman. Hit. First personal foul. 13 foul. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. David for 3. Air ball. Put back. Good. Foul jersey number 19. Second personal foul. Pumasok. Second row for De Los Santos. Timeout. Team Mandela. Back to the ball game. Black ball, last 4 minutes and 27 seconds to play.
Number 2. Gloria.
Manina. Nope, there's no reset. Foul jersey number 211, Sobrevilla. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Navarro pass inside to Mandela. Mandela pass to 5 seconds. Mandela reverse. Good. Gabawan. Pass to Maninang. 2 points. Maninang. Seconds. De Guzman wide open. De Guzman 3 points.
All.
Score na tayo, Dak 73. Nakabutas din si Bensoy. Mandela, tatabi ka ng Mandela, drive pass to Gabawan, pull up jumper. Inibasok nila rebound na kuha ngayon ni Sobrevilla. Here comes the team right. Sobrevilla fires 2 points. Sobrevilla.
Lumamang.
Change favor. Lamang na kuha, Team Abel. 15 seconds. David black rebound na kuha ng Guzman. Pass to Sobrevilla. Hindi masok nila rebound. Camero put back. 2 points. Camero. Asunto na naman. 2 points. Sobrevilla. Abante sa aning mga kalamangan. Meron po kayo isang timeout. Sana lamang po. Manila, pass to Madela. Madela, pull up jumper. Wala. There's a whistle. Ito po, foul jersey number 19. Third personal foul, second team foul. Substitution. Manila out. Reyes out.
Sino nag-easy-easy? Natura.
Meron 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Last 2 minutes. De Guzman for 3. Short rebound na kuha ngayon. Lewis the up. There's a whistle. Foul jersey number 211. Sobrevilla. Third personal foul. Penalty.
Basta't yung walang talo, may privilege yun.
Nalagay na tayo sa 2-3.
Hindi sama na.
Maganda yun.
Ayun pa naman tayo sa.
Hindi pumasok ang muna.
Nangangarap ka lang yung pang mababa. Taas mo na. Ala ba? Asan?
Ala sila eh.
Pumasok ang pangalawa.
Sa linggo ah. Linggo. Kahapon yung linggo.
Seconds. De Guzman up. Offensive foul. Foul jersey number 59. Sawit blind foul. Wala penalty. Moving screen.
Hindi mo naman na kailangan screen na lang.
Score natin ay 74-79. 5-point lead for Team Abel.
Malayo.
That's 1 minute and 35 seconds to play. Here comes Katakutan. Katakutan to Madela. Madela making his move. Pass to Abinir. Abinir pass inside to Gambawan. Short rebound. Grabs by De Los Santos. Backing for the rebound up. There's a missile. Jump ball. White ball.
Lima lang yan.
121. 74-79.
Unang laban pa lang. Maganda na.
Lamang po yung puti ah.
Camero pass to ay! Dalawa!
Yun na. Wala na sanang cross pass.
That's 1 minute and 5 seconds. Madela for 3! In and out, rebound by Sawit. Seconds. Sobrevilla pass to De Los Santos. 2 points. De Los Santos.
Open na open.
That's 47 seconds. Katakutan pass to Gambawan for 3. Wala rin mga boys. Wala na. Last 35 seconds.
Nasilip bigla.
seconds. 10. 5. Good. 11 seconds, 10 seconds. 2 points, Manila.
Tapos.
Time! End of regulation. Score natin ay 75-81 in favor of Team Abel and the best